Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a question from Economics Class 11 Chapter 1 Indian Economy on the Eve of Independence. Our question is, what changes can you find between pre-independence period and present scenario? Are such changes for better or for worse? Discuss. Many changes can be found between pre-independence period and present scenario as GDP. The 67 years of independence have seen many changes in the socio-economic landscape of Asia's third largest economy. During the decades that followed the colonial rule, India's economy in absolute terms has expanded to rupees 57 lakh crore from mere rupees 2.7 lakh crore, and the nation's foreign exchange reserves have crossed 300 billion dollar, giving the economy firepower to fight external shocks. Food grain production. Even as the country has progressed in laying out the basic framework to take the economy to high growth path by building roads and ports and ramping up the food grain production, a fast growing population and infrastructure whose demand more work to be done on multiple fronts. India's food grain production has more than doubled over the decades that followed colonial rule to a record 264 million tons in the fiscal year 2014. But to feed the fast growing population, with more than a quarter of them still estimated to be below the poverty line, the country needs to produce more. Roads. Post-independence, the country has progressed significantly in building roads to connect its cities with its hinterland. But given that poor infrastructure is a major concern for India, the country needs a wider road network to carry the fruits of growth to far-flung villages. Import-export. India's imports have shot up at faster pace than exports over the decades, resulting in a widening gap in the trade balance. India's current account deficit widened to a record 4.8% of the GDP in the final year 2013 before falling to 1.7% in fiscal year 2014 after the government clamped down on gold imports. Yes, these changes are for better as India's GDP in absolute number has grown from a mere rupees 2.7 lakh crore to rupees 57 lakh crore in 67 years of independence, which has resulted in better living conditions for Indian people. Thank you, and for more such content, subscribe to Intellify.